Come test drive the 2010 Mariner. Room for 5 passengers, tight responsive handling, 6 standard airbags, and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, traction control, power sunroof, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, alloy wheels, cruise control, passenger airbag, side airbag system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.